Welcome to the mirror table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you. So today we're going to cover decorating the front porch. Last video I showed you guys my front yard landscaping, and today we're going to decorate my front porch to really make everything just pop. So I have a couple of DIY projects that we're going to do, and let's go ahead and get started by taking a trip to the nursery. So my budget is $500 for the whole porch, and I want to start with 2 topiaries next to the door. They're architectural, they're linear, and they look perfect next to my door. But they're $269 a piece, and my budget is $500 for this whole porch. And these 2 topiaries would blow my budget out of the water. I'm so depressed. But you know what? I always cheer myself up by a trip to the thrift store. So let's go ahead to the Goodwill bins and see what we can find for the porch. So I do need some chairs, a bench, a couple of tables. This picnic basket is super cute. Look at it. It has silverware, has everything in it. Definitely coming with me. And look at this, is a cute little bistro table set. So it's missing the glass, but you know what? This would be a really cute DIY project. I'm definitely getting that, so stay tuned for that. Probably not in this video, but another video. And oh gosh, this is a heavy planter pot. It does have a little crack on the side, but I'm taking this. Oh, so cute. Look at this mailbox. Someone painted it. This would be really cute in my backyard. I'm doing some type of cottage garden. I did inherit a small vegetable garden in my new house. I have tomatoes, I have carrots, and some garlic growing. So I'm going to use this to collect my veggies. I am scoring big time in the thrift store today. I'm so glad you guys came along for the ride, because you never know what you're going to find. Thrifting is a true adventure. Guys, I can't believe, I'm so glad I came today because I found some topiaries. These are faux topiaries, but they're coming with me. Let's take them home and do a really fun DIY project. I have the perfect thing for this. So I got these 2 for $5, so I have $495 yet to spend. So we're gonna do a fun DIY project on these, and I have the perfect supplies to upcycle. So I had some foam from something I bought before, and I always kind of save my foam in case I want to use it for a project. And this is perfect. You see the little slot holes right here? This is perfect for the battery pack. I couldn't plan this if I tried. Now I did pick up 2 planters like this from Lowe's, and I got 2 planters for $29.99. So I cut the foam so it fits. I left a little square area so that I can put the little battery pack for the lights, and that's how we're looking so far. And this is my topiary, so it's kind of punch a little hole in there. Look, the battery pack fits perfect, guys. This is awesome. I can't believe this is going so well. This is looking so good already. Okay, so my mom wants to do the other part of the project. So I found this mosaic tile at Lowe's on sale, clearance for like $1 a sheet. So mom is going to put these sheets of tile on the top of the foam. So she's cutting the webbing for the back, so we'll have an opening to insert the battery pack when we want to use the lights. So after she cuts everything, now we have a slot to put in the battery pack. So now I can go ahead and assemble the whole topiary. And we'll just kind of put this together and let it sit a bit and kind of think about it and make sure this is exactly what we want. So far it's looking perfect. I really love this. I can access the battery, and the topiary is pretty much done. This is how it looks, guys. I love how it turned out. So now I need to run back to Lowe's. I need to pick up some glue so I can glue it down. And I always take a browse through the tile sections they have on clearance to see what other tile they have, because you know I have a bathroom to do, I have a kitchen to do, and I'm always looking for some tile that's on discount. And guys, I found a perfect tile. This is actually what I was looking for to do the topiaries. And this was not here last time, and it's exactly what I wanted. So I went ahead and bought 3 sheets of these mosaic tiles. Mom redid the project, and this is how it looks now. So these were $4 a sheet. Let me know which one you like best. So even with buying tiles again, this project came in at $49. So I got 2 topiaries for $49. That's like what, $25 a piece. Works great for me. Okay, so I finished the topiaries. I am so happy with how they turned out. They really came out super cute. So now we're going to tackle the front door. My front door is so dirty, and I'm sure it's seen better days. It was never painted. It still has primer on it. So I want to paint it, and I want to come up with a really pretty color. So I'm going to stop by Home Depot and find some kind of really pretty color to paint it, and we'll paint the door. So I was looking at pretty doors. I want a pretty color. I want something that pops. So I was on Pinterest and I was just pulling up different door colors, and I settled on blue. I want a blue door. I've had a red door before. I've had a beige door. I've had a white door. So now I want a blue door. So something that pops. So let's go ahead and let's grab some paint and start painting this door. So before you paint your door, you should probably degrease it because mine is filthy and definitely needs to be degreased. So I got the Ecolab Industrial Degreaser for step 1. And then step 2, I'm using liquid masking tape to cover the glass area. So my door is so dirty that I'm using the degreaser full strength. So you can use this by diluting water, or depending on how dirty your surface is or how greasy it is, you can use full strength or you can add water. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe my door down. I mean, look at this. This is so dirty and greasy. So I'm going to clean this all off so that the paint will stick so much better. So after I wipe this down, I will have to rinse it off. So I'm probably going to like close the door and rinse it off with the hose and then wipe it down with some tissue. But it's really working really good. So if you have some greasy, grimy spaces in your house, this is great to use. Next is the liquid tape. I wish I'd known about this sooner. This is so nice to use. So I have to paint between glass, and you have to be very, strategic and very precise when you're painting around this. But using the liquid tape, it makes it so much easier. So you just brush it on nice and thick. You might want to do it the day before because it takes a while to dry. And brush it on really thick because when you're done, you can just peel it off. But you can go ahead and paint without worrying about having to scrape it off the glass. So I'm using Bear. The color is called Big Chill, and this is a satin outdoor paint and primer all in one. So let's give it a shake and let's get painting. Look at how beautiful this color is. This is so pretty. I'm so excited to have blue doors. This is my first time having one. So let's go ahead and knock this out. Also, I got my paint from Home Depot, and I got all my paint supplies, like my roller, this little cup right here, all from Restore. Restore Habitat for Humanity has so many cool tools to buy, and they're at a really good price. And if you haven't heard of Habitat for Humanity, Restore, it is like a thrift store. Stores donate to it, businesses donate to it, so it's really, really nice stuff that you can find there. So I'm going to go in with the paintbrush first and cut in all of the sections, and then I'll go in with a roller. So I'm just going to paint, play some music, and let's get painting. So the first coat is on. This is how it's looking so far. We're going to go ahead and cut in and paint on the areas where the window is. You guys have got to get some of this liquid tape. It is so perfect for trimming, so you don't have to be extra cautious around these areas. You can just paint and get everything done without worrying about, ruining the windows. Now, the liquid tape peels right off right after you're done, and it makes the job so easy, and it's nice and clean and neat. So I am just loving this. So now I'm going to go in with the roller. Again, I got these supplies from Restore. They're not paying me for an ad or anything. I just love this place because it things for such a good price. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the paint on for the second coat. So I did end up putting about 3 coats on for good coverage. And let me show you how easy the liquid tape peels off. So you just peel it right off of the window or any trim. It just makes painting and cleanup so much easier. So let's take a look at the door. I mean, look at this door. It is so beautiful. I'm so happy I chose this color. Okay, let's see what's next. I'll show you this bench that I got from Wayfair. We're going to put that together, and then we'll show you how that works with all the rest of the front porch decor. So let's go ahead and let me show you this bench. So it came from Wayfair. I got it for a really good price. It was on sale. So guys, make sure you check out Wayfair. That's some really good stuff. And let's go ahead and take a look at this bench, and let's put it together. Okay, so I found this bench on sale at Wayfair for $89. Shipping was free. Got it pretty quickly. Everything came nicely packaged. Very easy to assemble, and it comes with instructions that are very easy to read. All you need is the screws, and it comes with an Allen wrench. So you just read the instructions and put everything together.
No, I'm not a writer. Okay.
That was pretty easy, so let's stand it up and show you guys how it looks. I am gonna make some cushions in another video and put on it, but for now, this is where we are. It's super cute, I really love it. And I will put the link below so you guys can shop some benches and cool outdoor stuff from Wayfair. Okay, so another piece I got from Wayfair is a deck box. So we're gonna assemble this as well real quick. I got this because I have garden tools on my porch and it looks so cluttered, and I wanted something to put them in. So this is actually a box you can put, you know, store pillows or whatever, but I'm storing all of my garden tools, and it's gonna make my porch look nice and clean and neat. It also serves as a bench, so you can put a cushion on it and make it a bench as well. Very easy to assemble, comes in 5 pieces, and in a snap, you can have it together. And this is pretty big, a lot bigger than what I thought. So I'm gonna be able to put all of my potting and weeding tools right in this bench. This is gonna keep all of my tools safe from water, safe from bugs and spiders crawling on them. I love that this offers extra seating on the porch. Oh, and I snagged this for $27. I'm gonna put the link below for you guys so you can grab one too. And you know what? I have to make a cushion for the bench, so I might as well make a cushion for this too. So maybe in another video or two, I will be making cushions for this and the bench. So now the true test is to see if all of my items that I use every morning to tend my garden can fit in this awesome deck box. So I have my garden boots, my garden shoes, my garden hat, my garden gloves, my soil tester, just all of my goodies that are just shoved in a box that I leave on the porch. I can now put them in this box. Let's go ahead and put everything in here, shall we? This is a soil tester. It tests the pH balance of your soil, the moisture levels, and your natural sunlight levels. It's a great tool to have, and they sell it on Amazon. This is also a great tool, the Rust-Oleum marking paint. Helps you plot out your garden beds. Okay, so I'm all done. Let's see what I got in here. So I got everything in here, guys. I even have a room for my potting bench. I didn't think this was gonna fit, but you know what? I think there's plenty of space for it, so let's go ahead and give it a try and see if it fits in here. And if it does, I'm gonna be so happy. But this is the potting bench that was in my last video. It folds up and stores so nicely, and it fits perfect. Okay, so now that I have everything, let's go ahead and start decorating the front porch. Okay, so this is a rug that I already had from my other house. I just brought it on with me, but I did snag 2 other cute decorative rugs for free at Restore. They were gonna throw them away, and look what they gave me. They were like, you can have these, they're brand new, and they're so cute, and I love the design detail. And I'm just gonna lay them right on top of this rug and give it a nice layer. And now my topiaries. Oh, I love these. These came out so nice. So let's go ahead and layer these on top of the rug. Okay, I got this rug from the Goodwill bins. This was $10, so I'm going to put this on top of the concrete and put some of my porch furniture on top of this. But this is a really nice rug, nice and clean, perfect. I love thrifting. I find such awesome stuff, so this was a good find. I found these 2 heavy tables at the thrift store. This one was $30, and then I found a smaller one for $20. I'm just gonna kind of layer them, create like a stair step effect. Aren't these cute? I love these. They're giving like a very natural, earthy type of vibe. And then these 2 chairs and a table came to me, a brand on TikTok. I did a video for them, and they gave me these 2 chairs and a table, so that was free. I picked this vase up from the Goodwill bins for $1. And I found this cute little shoe in my yard. It is like a terracotta pot. It looks like a Dutch shoe. And I painted the same color as a door. And I'm probably gonna put like a succulent in it. And here's the bench, guys. This is so nice. I can't wait to make a cushion for it. But you can also bolt the bench down, which I will do probably in another video. And I'm gonna put my bench box on one side, and then the table that goes to the 2 chairs is gonna go on the other side of the bench. I found this for $1. Let's take a look and see how everything is shaping up. So this is how everything is looking so far. So I still need to add rails to my steps, bolt down the bench, make a few cushions. I have to install my new mailbox and a new light. I also want to get a new screen door that has a full view so you can see the blue door really nicely. Oh, and one of you guys mentioned that I need to get some outdoor lighting, so I do need some solar lights, so I will be looking for that soon. So there will definitely be a part 3 and 4 to my landscaping. Maybe a 5 and 6. I have to do the back and another balcony. So make sure you subscribe so you can see those other videos, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That pushes me on the algorithm, guys. I've been gone for a while, so subscribing, commenting, sharing, and liking will really help push my channel. And so far, I have spent $228 on everything you see on the porch right here. And that leaves me with $272 so I can get some railing, a new mailbox, and a light. Oh, and some solar lights, so we'll see. Let's do a quick thrift haul on the things that I bought when we all went thrifting, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with them. This is a picnic basket. We picked it up for $3. My mom and I are planning a road trip, so we're gonna pack this full of goodies and take it with us. This cute little outdoor bistro table was $30. We're gonna do a thrift flip on this. Let me know what color you think I should paint it. Picked up this massive heavy pot for $5. We're gonna use it to plant an indoor tree and put the pot in the dining room. And then next I got this mailbox. It was $2. I'm gonna use it somewhere in my backyard landscape. I haven't figured out where yet, but I'll let you know. I'm gonna use this cute little basket to harvest my vegetables in my vegetable garden. So I do have some tomatoes growing. These are cherry tomatoes. I have to get them off as soon as they turn red because little critters like to go after my tomatoes, guys. So I see some red ones on this branch right here. We'll take those off, and then we'll pull up some carrots. So I just have 1 carrot. This vegetable garden is really small. I just know some things were growing and I just let them grow. So we have a carrot here. So I thought I should have a really cute basket when I pick my veggies. I was using a bucket, but it's so much cuter when you have a basket. Look at this. And that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna eat my cherry tomatoes, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I love it so much.